Hello, welcome back to Off Grid Style. I'm Nikki, and as always, I'm glad to have you here. Thank you so much for wanting to watch my video. Today we're discussing trees with edible leaves. I just did recently a video on the food shortages that we are facing and what's coming and what's predicted to be coming. So I thought this would be another cool video to add to the collection for what you can and cannot eat out in the wilderness, out in the wild. What trees can you eat the leaves from, and which ones should you completely avoid? That's what we're going to talk about today. Let's get started.
A Guide to Nutrient-Rich Trees. When thinking about foraging for food in the wild, an often overlooked source of nutrition lies in the leaves of various trees. Nature gives us a huge array of edible leaves, each with unique flavors, textures, and nutritional benefits. Let's check out which leaves are not just edible, but packed with essential nutrients. Of course, I have to put a caution in the video. Please be sure to properly identify any plant or tree before ingesting any part of it. Also, medicinal properties are for educational purposes only and aren't meant to diagnose or treat anyone. The linden tree. The linden tree is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Linden leaves are best enjoyed in a tea, but the young leaves can be consumed raw or cooked. The linden tree grows best in zones 3 through 8. It also has medicinal qualities, including being anti-inflammatory, calming, and it can also help soothe coughs and relieve the symptoms of colds or respiratory illnesses. The mulberry tree. Mulberries are high in vitamin C, vitamin K, and iron. Both the young and the mature leaves are edible, with a mild flavor, suitable for salads or cooking. The mulberry grows best in zones 5 through 10. The berries are also edible. Medicinally, they help with blood sugar regulation, cholesterol management, boosting the immune system, and they are antiviral. Next up, we have the beech tree. Beech tree leaves contain vitamins A and C, as well as various minerals. Young beech leaves are tender and they can be consumed raw or cooked. Beech trees are hardy in zones 3 to 9, depending on the species. Now we have the birch tree. Birch tree leaves contain vitamin C and antioxidants. The young leaves can be eaten raw, while mature leaves are best cooked. Depending on the species, birch can grow from zones 2 to 9, and the leaves have anti-inflammatory properties. The maple tree. Maple trees are rich in antioxidants and certain minerals. Depending on the species, their hardiness is zones 2 to 9, and the young maple leaves can be eaten raw or cooked. The sweet gum tree. This tree contains vitamins A and C and various antioxidants. Hardy in zones 5 through 9, the leaves are best cooked due to their somewhat tough texture. Young leaves are a little more tender. The bamboo tree. Bamboo leaves are high in fiber and various minerals. Young bamboo leaves can be consumed raw or cooked, and this grows well in zones 5 to 10. The dogwood tree. This tree's leaves are rich in vitamins A and C. Young leaves can be eaten raw, and the mature leaves are better cooked. It grows well in zones 5 through 9. Pine trees. These are high in vitamin C. Young pine needles can be consumed raw, but cooking is recommended to break down the resin. Not all pine leaves are edible. Proper identification is crucial to avoid toxic varieties. And your personal preferences will dictate whether you enjoy the leaves best raw or cooked. Stay prepared, stay vigilant, and ensure your safety in every culinary adventure.
I hope you liked the video. Please share your thoughts with me as always. Let me know what your thoughts are. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Also, check out our community page, please. We do all kinds of fun stuff on there. I do quizzes every day. We post cool survival infographics. We do funny posts, whatever you might like. It's there, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you.